Hi, welcome 7th grade algebra students. Today we're going to be talking about adding polynomials. Okay? Our objective for the day is okay, so students will learn how to add together various types of polynomials. So remember yesterday we talked about polynomials, their definition, what they mean, and why they're important. But we will just review for a second. So the polynomial has a meaning. The part poly means many. Okay? And nomial means terms. So together, the word polynomial means many terms. Okay? We also talked about that there are various types of polynomials, right? A one-term polynomial is called monomial. Okay? An example of this is 3x. It's just one term together, okay? A two-term polynomial is called a binomial. Example of this is, because there's two distinctive terms, 1, 2, okay? And there's also a name for a three-term polynomial. Any guesses what that would be? Bi means 2, mono means 1, so maybe trinomial. There you go. If you forget, you can also think of like bicycle, 2 wheels, right? Tricycle, 3 wheels, one wheel monomial, one-wheeled bicycle. Okay, so now you can add these together, okay? So there's one more thing we need to talk about, like terms. So like terms are something that things that look the same, that can be combined, okay? So for example, you have 3x and plus 2x. So since both of these terms have x's, we call these like terms, which means that because they both have x's, they're the same quantity and the same value, so you can add them together. So how do you add them? Well, the x is just a variable, so you can just add them together. So you would just add 3 plus 2 gives you 5 x's, right? It's almost like saying if you had, let's give another value for the x's. If you had, someone gave you 3 smiley faces, and then you added 2 of your smiley faces, you smiled back twice. How many smiley faces do you have altogether? 5. Okay, so that's like terms. Okay, but let's say you had 3 frowny faces, someone was really sad, and then 2 happy faces. These are not the same, so they're not like terms. So you cannot add these two together. Okay? And that's just an example of how you would add polynomials. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do a worksheet, and I will go around, and if you have questions, please ask.